friends, welcome back to my channel. How are y'all doing today? Hope you're doing well. Trying to fix the camera. Okay, I think it's good. Today my prompt is chaos. Sending out good vibes to everyone. All right. My idea was, oh, wait. Let me tell you what this is all about. This is day 12. October Daily Art Journal 2023. Hashtag October Daily Art Journal 2023. Hosted by Tony's Witchy Arts and Crafts. Also participating are Black Whisper Crafts, aka Bex, Silver Moon Creations, Petey Pie Designs, Mystical Misty One, and there's some other people popping in and out. So, follow the hashtag if you want to see what everyone's making. We're making something every day of the month. Some people are following prompts, and it's a lot of fun. Me, I'm making up my own prompts. Today I wanted to do some chaos. First, I also want to make a room of tranquility. Everything's nice on Halloween night. Tranquil, quiet. But outside, seems to be some things popping off. So let's just go outside and see what it is. Well, I do believe it's chaos. It's a windstorm. Because sometimes that happens on Halloween night. Then again, sometimes it's very calm. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm just gluing stuff on top of stuff. And you know what? I'm not even paying attention to where it goes. This is very therapeutic. If you want to just do it to not use up your good craft supplies that you paid a lot of money for, you can always use old newspaper, envelopes, junk mail, all the junk everywhere, recycled, boxes, your food boxes, and here's some cutouts of ferns. They appear to be flying everywhere in this storm. We got some feathers flying away. Wait, let me do this page first. Sometimes on Halloween night it's sunny, 80 degrees. You never know what you're going to get here in Oregon. Today it's raining, cold, and gray skies. Here's a leaf. Some of this, we all have a lot of this. Yeah, what do you think of this, Jackson Pollock? Do you approve? Yes, he does. Aren't you glad you tuned in for this? It's called Halloween Chaos. Is there anything that can show that it is really traditionally Halloween? I'll find something creepily Halloween. Okay, it's going to be this. This guy tiptoeing through the tulips. And he's going to be jumping off of the page, but that's okay. He's not going to be laying flat. It's okay to have your images wrinkled up. So I have a lot more fall leaves I can glue on there, I think. Here they are. Yeah. Skeleton. Crow. Creepy guy. From this book called... It's about body images. Imaging, like, you know what? That book just blew away in the windstorm. Oh well. It's like imaging x-rays and things. So, here's my close-up. I'm going to add more leaves. But I'm going to wrap it up for today, October 12th. October Daily, October 12th. Yes. Fabulous. Hope you all can find a tranquil place today. And the leaves, by the way, back here. I'll show you next time, okay? Because I want to show you what I use. Okay. Thank you for watching. Go check out all the people. Make a windstorm if you want to today. Why not? See you all later in the next video. Bye.